Good morning, students. Very good morning. Yesterday I can explain to the wavy curve method that same points based on that some more questions will be there, one or two questions. Those questions more terms are involving in that questions. I can explain. Yesterday I can explain to the sum part. Here listen. This is the question given x minus 1 into x minus 2 into 5 minus x whole divide 2x plus 5 less than 0. How to find out? This is the form of a by b. Yesterday I can explain, that is, observe a by b less than 0. What I told that condition?
AB by B square less than 0.
Next, after next step,
B not equal to 0.
B not equal to 0 and A into B is less than 0. Do you understand? A into B less than 0. Therefore, in this one, observe x minus 1 into x minus 2 into 5 minus x into 2x plus 5, that's value less than 0. That value less than 0. Therefore, a by b less than 0 mean what is the condition? A into b less than 0. Here inequalities, always remember every term having x power 1, x power 1, x power 1, x power 1. Degree is equal to 1 for every term. Every term degree will be 1 will be there. If always x quotient is positive. But in first, what is x quotient? First bracket, what is the x coefficient?
1, sir.
1. Second bracket, what is the x quotient? In third bracket, what is the x quotient?
Minus 1, sir.
Therefore, always highest degree term quotient must be positive. Must be positive. First term, second term and fourth term is the positive. But in the third term, x quotient should be negative. Converted to positive. How to convert it? Here listen. Anyone minus a less than 0. Minus a less than 0. When minus a less than 0 mean when multiply with the negative. Multiply with negative. What is the inequality? Multiply with the negative, inequality always change. Therefore, multiply negative a greater than 0. Remember that point. When in inequalities you can multiply with negative. Multiply with negative. Inequality change. What are the change? Less than can be changes to greater than. Greater than can be changes to less than. This is the point. Listen one. Here that this third bracket. 5 minus x is there. You can take minus common. Minus common mean minus of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5 into 2x plus 5. It's less than 0. Any doubt about this step? Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. Here observe. Minus will be there. Multiply with the negative. What can be changed? Inequality can be changed. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 5 and 2x plus 5 must be greater than 0. Must be greater than 0. Why converted to greater than 0? Do you understand? Therefore, what are roots of this total equation? Anyone? What are roots of total equation?
1 plus 1 plus 2, sir. Plus 1
1.
plus 2 plus 5 minus 5 by 2, sir.
Very good. Indication on number line. This is the number line. Here is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here 1. Here 2. Here is called a 5. Plus infinity, minus infinity. Number line representation. This is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive will be there. But here greater than is there or less than is there?
Greater than, sir.
Greater than mean positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive. Therefore, x belongs to what are that positive value?
Minus infinity
2.
5 by
And 1 to 2 will be there, and 5 to infinity. 5 to infinity. Infinity always open, but in that question will be there greater than, equal to is there or not there?
no, sir.
Equal to not there. Very good. Therefore, that is there always open brackets. Do you understand how to written that interval?
Sir, here minus infinity comma minus 5 by 2, sir.
Sorry. That is equal to minus infinity to minus 5 by 2, 1 to 2 and 5 to infinity. This is their interval. Any doubt about this method?
No, sir.
Okay, do it. This is the method for wavy curve method. Using that, so many chapters must learning how to use that number line signs. Signs positive, negative, how to written is there. Last 2 classes I can explain. Same point will be there. This is the question. Any doubt about this method? Okay. After, generally you know that how to represented number line signs. This is the models. After this one, go for quadratic. In quadratic equation, where should be inequalities can be using quadratic positive, how to know that positive, quadratic negative, how to know. That means signs of quadratic equation, how to define. Here, listen, that is, observe this one. In quadratic, that is quadratic equation, by observation this one, how to know that quadratic equation, where should be positive, where should be negative. First I can explain. Here listen, let a quadratic equation you can take ax square plus bx plus c, that is their quadratic equation. Quadratic expression I can consider ax square plus bx plus c will be there. Consider divide with a. Divide with a will be there. You can splitting. What is the getting? A cancel. X square. Next one plus b by a into x plus c by
C
a.
by A.
Understood this step? Afterwards. First listen. That is ax square plus bx plus c divide a. I can consider what you get, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a, converted to perfect square form. What is the a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus B square plus 2ab, sir.
Therefore, here is equal to, listen, x square already there, that is the form of a square plus 2ab required, but here 2 multiple not there. That's why 2 into x into b by 2a I written. Therefore, a square plus 2ab form I can written. 2 not there, multiply 2 and denominator also multiply 2. This is the form of a square plus 2ab. In this case, what is the b value? Anyone?
What, sir?
Here a square is called x square. This is 2ab form. What is the b value in this equation?
1 by 2a, sir.
b by 2a. Therefore, because a square mean x square, this equation in the form of here is equal to, this is in the form of that is a square plus 2ab form. A in place of x will be there, 2 already there, a value x. What is the b value is called? b by 2a or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, adding b square, that is the b square by 4a square. Next one, if adding mean also subtraction, b square by minus 4a square plus what is the last term? c by a. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Therefore, first 3 terms, listen. What are that first 3 term? X plus b by 2a whole square will be there. X plus b by 2a whole square. Here, after last 2 terms, take LCM, 4a square LCM. You can get 4ac minus b square. 4ac minus b square. What is the b square minus 4ac is? What is the b square minus 4ac is? Discriminant. What is the discriminant denoted as? What is the symbol?
Delta.
Delta. Therefore, I can written x plus b by 2a whole square. Here is equal to, that is the minus delta divide 4a square. Lesson 1. Here x plus b by 2a whole square, always perfect square. Perfect square is the positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive. Therefore, 4a square is positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive, sir.
Then what about that minus delta? You don't know. Either sometime positive, sometime negative. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this total function ax square plus bx plus c by a, ax square plus bx plus c by a, always either positive or negative, depends on what is that value, minus delta or not. Hello? Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, by observation, suppose my here is equal to, suppose by observation here is equal to, minus delta is positive, minus delta positive mean this is the positive, positive. What is the positive plus positive is?
Positive, sir.
Positive. Therefore, observe this one, ax square plus bx plus c by a, positive will be there. Lesson 1. Quadratic by, what is the a value? Positive. This is the form of a by b form is there. A by b positive means, what is the condition?
AB greater than 0, A not equal to 0, sir.
B, therefore, this is there. quadratic and a multiplication must be greater than 0, but a not equal to 0. Based on this one, I can here is equal to, I can given that one tabular form. When quadratic is positive, sign is that depends on what is the value. Sign depends on that a, and here is called a minus delta. Do you understand?
Sir, 1 second tell, sir.
Here quadratic equation sign either positive or negative depends on what is the a and minus delta. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, listen one. I can given that some table, that is, listen. Here is equal to, here a will be there, that is, here a will be there, delta will be there, minus delta, and f of x is there. Listen one. Generally, what is the function is there? Before that, what you get that value? Ax square plus bx plus c by a. This sign is there depends on minus delta. That's mean I written a delta minus delta and f of x will be there. Here questions are different forms is given. Sometime first case a is positive, for example, a positive. In that equation, a positive, delta also positive for a assumption. Assumption of a positive, delta also positive. Delta positive mean what is the minus delta?
Negative.
Negative.
Minus delta is negative. Therefore, this is the negative mean. This ratio should be negative. That is the negative mean, ratio should be negative will be there. Therefore, here is equal to negative, ratio should be negative. Already in this case, what is the a?
Positive.
Positive. Therefore, a positive, total negative means what is the ax square plus bx plus c is?
Negative.
Negative. Therefore, f of x is negative.
Negative.
Do you understand that point?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Suppose a is positive, delta is a negative, I can take. A positive, delta negative. What is the minus delta?
Positive, sir.
Therefore, that is equal to positive. Minus delta positive mean that ratio is positive. Ratio positive, a is positive. That's why numerator must be
Positive.
positive. Therefore, positive. Same like this one. Suppose a is the negative, delta is the positive, minus delta is the negative. Therefore, minus delta negative mean expression should be negative will be there. Expression negative, a negative, that's mean quadratic expression is
Positive.
positive. That is equal to positive. Again, a negative, here also negative, minus delta is positive. Therefore, here minus delta positive mean total expression must be positive will be there. Therefore, a negative mean quadratic expression is
Positive.
positive. Therefore, that is equal to, here observe, this is positive mean you can get positive. A is the negative. A negative mean what about numerator?
A negative.
Negative.
Listen. Total positive. Total positive. Denominator is the negative. That's mean numerator is.
Either negative, either positive, sir.
No. Again listen. If here a by b greater than 0. A by b greater than 0. B negative mean what about a?
Positive. Positive.
Positive. Okay, listen. Here, what is the 2 by minus 3? Negative or positive?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
But what is the required? What is the required?
Greater than 0.
But 2 by minus 3 greater than 0 or less than 0?
Less than 0.
But I want to the greater than 0. I want to the greater than 0. Denominator negative mean what about numerator? Negative. That is I told. No problem. Here listen. Generally, whatever you can express, you know that some points is there, some confusion is there. Those confusion you can learn that properly. Then you can get that exact. Ask.
Sir, can you explain again?
Again. Here, this is their A value negative. Delta value also negative. Delta negative mean minus delta is positive or negative?
Negative.
A negative, delta negative. Delta is the negative. That's mean what about minus delta?
Positive. Positive.
Positive. That's why I written that positive. Minus delta is the here minus delta positive. What is the positive plus positive?
Negative.
Positive, sir.
2 plus 3, what is the value? 5, positive. Therefore, total fraction should be positive.
Positive.
Total fraction is the positive, but here listen. A value negative, denominator negative. What about numerator?
0.
Less than 0.
Again listen. Concentrately listen. If here ax square plus bx plus c by
Negative.
a greater than 0. That is greater than 0. A will be negative. That's why numerator what value
Negative.
taken? Negative
Negative.
or positive?
Negative,
Negative. Therefore, because negative by negative is called positive. That's why quadratic is negative. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Here internally one point will be there. Listen. Internally quite listen. Internally one point will be there. What is that point? When quadratic negative, that is there less than 0. Ax square plus bx plus c less than 0. Less than 0 mean either first case or last case. Observe in first case. What is the A? Positive or negative?
Positive.
What is the delta?
Positive.
Delta positive. And last case you can see. What is the A?
Negative. Negative.
What is the delta?
Negative.
That means if any question is the given, f of x quadratic expression less than 0. Less than 0 mean A and delta having same sign. Do you understand? A and delta having same sign. Here f of x is positive. F of x is positive. Positive means second case and third case. In second case, what is the sign of A?
Positive.
Positive. Positive. Sir.
What
Negative,
is
sir,
the
negative.
delta sign?
Negative.
Negative opposite signs or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, quadratic expression greater than 0 mean A and delta having opposite sign. Do you understand the two statements?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here internally what you learn, when quadratic expression greater than 0, A and delta having opposite sign.
Opposite signs.
When quadratic less than 0, a and delta having same sign.
Same.
Either both are positive or both are negative. Do you understand?
Positive,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Positive.
First copied this one.
Sir,
Ah.
afternoon max class will be a sir.
Yes, it's there in maths class in afternoon also.
Positive.
Timing what, sir?
3:30 to
Negative.
4:30.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
You all are attend that evening also.
Okay, sir.
Listen that class also. You can learn that more points. Mathematics more practice is required. If you know that more practice, you can easy to get marks in mathematics. Actually, CBSE students having some fear will be there in mathematics. I seen that so many batches that students are fear about mathematics, easy to going physics and chemistry. Because of physics and chemistry is there more syllabus up to 10th class. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why physics and chemistry more time can be studied CBSE students. But in maths also can be solved that same like this one. You can get good result in examinations.
So can scroll down.
Completed up to this one, perfect square
Yes, sir.
form.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. 1 minute, I can scroll down. Over. You can return this table. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. That A delta minus delta f of x. Just that table only you can return. That table can be written, that is important. A delta minus delta f of x. F of x mean ax square plus bx plus c.
Plus C.
If you completed, said to me, I can given two statements.
Completed, sir.
Write down. Write down. If ax square plus bx plus c, if ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0, then A and delta,
Have opposite signs.
A and delta have
Opposite
Opposite
signs.
signs.
opposite signs. A and delta have opposite signs. Opposite signs. Next line. If ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c
Positive, sir.
ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, less than 0, less than 0, then a and delta
have
Equal
A
sign.
and delta have, very good. A and delta have equal signs. A and delta have equal signs.
either negative or
Complete.
positive or positive one.
First one, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, greater than 0, then a and delta have opposite sign. That is first statement. Opposite sign. Understood? All are understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Write down that one small question. Write down. Based on this one small question, if x square minus 2 lambda x plus 1 greater than 0, then lambda belongs to
Yes, sir.
x square minus 2 lambda x plus 1 greater than 0, then lambda belongs to. Therefore, quadratic greater than 0. What is x square quotient? Positive. Therefore, a and delta having opposite sign. A value, what is the a value in this equation? 1 greater than 0 or less than 0?
Greater than
Greater than 0, sir.
A greater than 0 mean what about discriminant? Less than 0. Discriminant less than 0. Because of quadratic positive mean a and delta having opposite sign. Therefore, delta less than 0. What is the delta formula?
b square minus 4ac.
Very good. B square. What is the B square? 4 lambda square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into 1. It's less than 0. Getting lambda square minus 1 less than 0. Because 4 common, 4 bring another side. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda square minus 1 less than 0. You can take what are roots of this one?
Plus or minus 1, sir.
Minus 1.
Very good. Here minus 1, here plus 1, plus infinity, minus infinity. Same number line representation. Positive, negative, positive. That is, it's less than is there or greater than is there?
Less than, sir.
Less than mean negative or positive?
Negative, sir.
Therefore, lambda is belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 open bracket. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Number line representation, that means wavy curve method, where you can use like questions of inequality. When inequality will be there, how to do that? This one, this is the method. Okay, clear?
Sir,
Ask.
once again tell the last step, sir.
Here observe, that is discriminant less than 0. What is the discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac. Here 4 common, bring another side. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Remaining lambda square minus 1 less than 0. What are roots of equation? Plus or minus 1? Minus 1 plus 1 plus infinity minus infinity indicated on number line. Positive, negative, positive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But less than mean negative sign. Negative where? Minus 1 to plus 1.
Okay, sir.
Understood that how to find?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay. In that, here in quadratic will be there. Quadratic is called a second degree. If higher degree, cubic equation. Here fourth degree equation. Cubic and fourth degree. Suppose cubic equation means how many roots are possible? 3 roots are possible. Here quadratic equation alpha beta roots mean. What is the alpha plus beta formula?
Minus b by a, sir.
Minus b by a. Alpha into beta.
C by a, sir. C by a.
Very good. Therefore alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a will be there.
Sir, some noise arising, sir.
Noise?
Sir.
Anyone unmute is there? Can be mute yourself. Okay. If quadratic equation 2 roots are there, alpha comma beta. Therefore, what is the alpha plus beta formula?
Minus b by a.
P by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Same like this one, cubic equation, fourth degree equation. Some relations are there. Lesson 1. Here lesson, that is okay, see that one. Alpha, beta, gamma are roots of cubic equation. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d
Equals to 0.
is equal to 0. Then relation between roots. How to find? Same like quadratic. Quadratic relation, only 2 roots are there. Alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Same like this one. Here sum of the roots. Here is equal to, that is sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus quotient of x square divide quotient of x cube. What is the quotient of x square? Quotient of x square is called a minus b by a. This is equal to first point. What is the first point? Sum of the roots, individual roots after 2 products. Alpha beta is called one value, beta gamma another one, gamma alpha. 2 values are multiply and sum, that is equal to quotient of x whole divide quotient of x cube. You can get, what is that value? C by a. And here 3 roots are product, that is equal to minus constant term whole divide quotient of x cube, that is called minus d by a. Therefore, this is the results will be there. Then cubic equation, how to find out that relation between roots? Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a, alpha beta, beta gamma. This is not root. That is called gamma into alpha. Here gamma alpha is equal to minus c by a. What is the alpha into beta into gamma? Minus d by a. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Note down. Note down clearly like this one. Minus quotient of x square by quotient of x cube, and alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha addition, quotient of x divide quotient of x cube. Again alpha into beta into gamma minus constant term divide quotient of x cube.
Sir.
That results only I written here. You can copy this one.
Finish your previous slide.
1 minute, sir.
Previous slide. Wait. First copy this one. Ending I can show me previous slide.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Completed. Okay. Don't miss any classes. If you once you miss that classes, after again listen that points are there some confusion. That time you facing lots of problems.
Sir, yesterday's video and today's videos say to post in YouTube, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Means yesterday's videos are not posted, sir.
Today it's come. I think afternoon.
If I have any doubt, I will see the video, sir, and I will clear the doubt.
Okay, no problem. It's sent today. Okay.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Next, similarly, fourth degree equation. In fourth degree equation will be there. Here is equal to listen 1. In fourth degree equation, same like this one. Alpha, beta, gamma are roots of ax power 4, bx cube, cx square, dx plus e is equal to 0. When fourth degree equation, that's mean 4 roots are possible. In what are that 4 roots can assumption? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. 4 roots are there. What are that relations? Therefore, here relations like this one you can get. That implies, observe this one. Here that is 1 by 1. First one. Same like this one. Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to here minus quotient of x cube by quotient of x power 4. That is called minus b by a. After next what I told 2 product. What is the 2 product? Alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta, next plus beta gamma, beta delta plus gamma delta is equal to minus here quotient of x square whole divide quotient of x power 4. Quotient of x square divide quotient of x power 4. That is equal to quotient of x square c by a. After 3 product. What is the 3 product? Alpha, beta, gamma, beta, gamma, delta, here gamma, delta, alpha, delta, alpha, beta is equal to Same, minus of quotient of x by quotient of x power 4, that is equal to minus d by a. That is equal to minus d by a. After 4 roots product, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, that is equal to constant whole divide quotient of x power 4. What is the constant will be there? E. E whole divide a. This is the results will be there. Coming classes, trigonometry can be started. In trigonometry, having that some more models will be there. In that models, in 4th degree also coming, cubic equation also coming. In cubic equation, how to able to find relation between roots, or 4th degree equation, how to find relation between roots. This is the points will be there. Note down.
Completed, sir.
All are completed.
Sir, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, sir.
Oh, no problem. You can take.
Sir, can you move side, please?
This one is you can copy.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Mm.
in evening you will start trigonometry, sir.
Evening?
Yes, sir.
I don't know actually. చూస్తున్నాడు 3:30 having that class, that is explained that are also some fundamentals. Again you listen.
Okay, sir.
Attend the class. First to attend the class, don't leave that class.
Okay, sir.
That those 3:30 time video also post in YouTube, sir.
Okay. I told to this sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Tomorrow I want to start with progressions, AP, GP, HP and arithmetic geometric progression based on points I can explain coming 3-4 classes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
After tomorrow onwards I can given that work will be there, that is the progressions, because already you learn in 10th class arithmetic progression. You learn or not?
Yes, sir. All are learned, sir.
Okay. Or otherwise you leave that chapter.
No, sir.
Okay. That chapter based on some questions are there. Every day I given. What are doubts will be there in next class, you can ask to me, I can explain. Okay? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay.